Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 13th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for S&P 500 for the upcoming expiry on the 18th of October. Now, max OI level has increased for both CE and PE, that's positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for PE, that's negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is still extremely high, that's negative. Implied volatility is lower, that's positive. Historical volatility is higher, that's negative. RSI is higher, that's positive. No divergence, there is a divergence, that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is lower, that's negative. Candlestick is bullish, that's positive. Overall, the new support is 5,800. Previous week's support was 5,730. The new resistance is 5,800, and the previous week's resistance was 5,750. And overall, the option chain predicts this week that the S&P 500 goes up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.